Are you ready to explore one of the most popular platforms for earning money online? Well, get ready to dive into the world of online microjobs, and today's spotlight is on Clickworkers. So without further ado, let's begin! Okay, so for those who are new in Clickworker, it's a popular platform for microtasks and freelancing opportunities. And for you to be able to start your career here, you have two options. When you hover on the upper corner of your dashboard right here, you can register for customers, but we're not the client, right? So we are registering for Clickworkers. And obviously, if you have an account here already, you might want to log in for customers or for Clickworkers. But for this video, though, we might want to click on the Click for Workers. And once you do that, now filling up all of the information here is a very straightforward process. All you're gonna do is provide your gender here, full name, user and password, and then simply just follow the on-screen instructions, right? Now, once you are here on Clickworkers dashboard, remember that it provides a wide range of tasks, including data entry, web research, content creation, and more. Now, this variety allows you to explore different types of work and find tasks that match your skills and interests. Now, when you go here in the left side panel of your dashboard, you have some assessments. That means when you click on that, you need to complete this assessment to unlock additional projects on your partner platform, because if you don't, you are limited with tasks that you can search, and you have less mobility in terms of data project opportunities. So you need to take these assessments. And again, these are just basic qualifications for various current and future jobs. And again, depending on your assessment score, you will be enabled for additional jobs. All right. Now, after completing that, we also have an active forum wherein you can talk through the community, developers and project managers and whatnot. And of course, when you click on the invite a friend, it's a passive way for you to earn money, because when you recommend Clickworker to a friend, and you'll easily earn a basic of €5. And if you have friends or acquaintances who might be interested in working at Clickworker, as you can see, you'll get paid €10. It's very easy. All you're gonna do is provide their email address right here, and you can actually customize this message down here. Say, for example, click on acknowledge, and all you're gonna do is click on send invitation. And remember, right, because you would easily see your earned bonus right here. Say, for example, you've sent 20 invitations, and if they all click on the link that you send and sign up for Clickworkers, you'll get a lot of money right here. It's true money. All right. Now, again, when we go here in the personal account, this is the part you wanted to change your profile. Say your username, you're not happy with that, you change your contact details and some of the user settings you wanted to tweak. Now, in terms of the payment, we might want to click on the invoices right here. Obviously, when you get more work here on Clickworker, you'll get all of these invoices, dates, and all that information. All right, payment method, tax details. Of course, you can add your payment method later. You can do that when you click on this pencil icon right here. And as you can see, when you click on that, all you're gonna do is add now, so you can connect your bank right here. It's very easy and straightforward. And again, you need to choose your payment method, and you might want to put your bank account details here. And this is going to be the payout frequency, 7 days, and the payout threshold, which is, you can set that later. And after doing so, now that's some of the basic essentials before you search jobs and make money here in Clickworker. Now, when you hover in the upper left corner where it says jobs, click on that. It'll load a bit, just wait for a minute. And then from here, these are the new jobs available where you can browse and earn opportunity. And Here's the thing. If you click on the qualify for the top project and unlock UHRS for your account, click on that. I mentioned earlier that you need to complete these assessments before you can proceed and unlock more opportunities as you go along the way, before you can complete microjobs here in Clickworker. And again, you can unlock and access to many additional projects located on the platform UHRS. And this is a time limit. All you're gonna do is just follow the on-screen instructions. It's not hard, but it's time sensitive, so you might want to take that into consideration. And once you've done all of that, all you're gonna do is click on the save button below right here, and you're all set. Now, there's also an opportunity for you to download an app and take some videos. This is the data collection. Now, when you click on the video project, because I've done this in the past, it's a cool project and it pays well. When you click on that, as you can see, you can earn 5 euros for a 10-minute job, which is a passive way of earning money. Now, click on show job right here. And these are the technical details. It's only limited for iPhone owners. Your mission awaits you. It's available in Asia, and that's going to be 5 euros per job. And the estimated working time is 10 minutes. All I'm going to do is complete this project. You have like 200 to 40 minutes to do that, which is like a 10-minute job. And then once you take this project right here, you only have like 30 days to complete this assessment. Otherwise, your application here will be voided. All right, so you have to be aware of that. And from here, these are the specifics. It is a personal data collection. Data will be published, no. But again, the field of use is just for training of AI. And now, when you click on the Start Now button right here, what will happen is if you see a notification error like this, that there are no further jobs available on that specific project, that means so many Clickworkers have already sent their video projects on that. So it's like first come basis. So you have to pay attention and check all the information here on Clickworker. Now, there's also a way for special bonus events when you click on the Facebook exclusive group, and all you're gonna do is click on it. And once here, if you join the exclusive Facebook group, you can connect with like-minded people and reserve early updates on some special bonus events and new projects, such as the one earlier. Because again, as I've mentioned earlier, it's a first come, first serve basis. So when you have an update like that, you can never miss an opportunity to boost your earning potential and become part of the dynamic community here on Clickworker. And again, here's an activation code for membership. Copy these numbers and click now to join and profit from the benefits. Once you do that, you will be directed here to the Facebook page wherein you need to log in so that your account will be connected to the Clickworker community, right? Now, when you hover down below, these are again the available jobs that await you once you passed all the assessments and all the project completion. And here's another one. It's a bonus for app testing. So when you click on this certain job opening right here, it's a very basic job, really. All you're gonna do is for the app testing. It's personal data collection as well. And again, all you're gonna do is ask your parent or grandparent 70 plus. Be mindful of the requirement to help train an authentication application. That's gonna be $3. This is the currency. It's not euro, it's not British pound. After customer validation, and of course bonus included. Now the estimated working time is 10 minutes. There's like 969 jobs that awaits you, and the completion is 30 days. And here's the project ID. And again, all you're gonna do is click on the blue button to start now working on this project. Now, when you click on Start Now, again, these are the specifics. So you have like these hours for you to submit. Okay, so you be mindful of that. And again, you can ask your grandparent or parent to help train an authentication application. Now, you have to remember that you need to read and understand all the specific descriptions here, because if you miss out a minor detail that may be crucial in sending the information, your application here or the material will be voided and you are just wasting your time. Because the goal here, the client provides 3D authentication security check tools for companies to prevent fraud in the internet. And of course, that's for the improvement of these applications. But of course, training data is needed. And your job, in order to train the Zoom AI tool, you will be asked to simulate parts of the authentication process by providing a picture of the 70+ person and an ID. And the data will be only used for training purposes, and they will not be published or used otherwise. So it's safe. Don't worry, because I've worked here in Clickworker and I can vouch that they do not sell your data worldwide. All right, and here are some more information. The company offers book services for both homeowners and tourists, and the requirements. Remember these requirements, right? All these are the allowed photo IDs, driver's license, passport, and other government-issued photo ID. And after completing the job in 6 simple steps, take a photo of the person right here. Click on the URL that leads you to the study. That's right. And insert a fake email with the following structure. Say, for example, I'm Andy_God@clickworker.com. And make sure to insert your real Clickworker ID. Of course, you don't want to forget that. Otherwise, please take that in consideration, because you are not going to be paid. Right? Now, the workplace right corner is this one. That's your work Clickworker ID. Now, in my case, that's in the upper right corner. And here's the app profile. Step 3, take a photo of the 70+ age person according to the instructions. Don't just take a picture of a photo. Make sure to have a good lighting, otherwise the photo won't be accepted, because that's the reason of getting all these data information, right? If it's not recognizable, so what's the point? It's counterproductive. Now again, try to fill the rectangle as precisely as possible. And step 5, insert the code to finish the job. And Clickworker team will pay 2.5 after it got approved. And by accepting this job, you're giving the customer the right to save and use the made photos that include the personal data to train these AI. But again, do not worry, because they are not gonna sell or hack your personal data. You are safe. And if you are interested, if you have like a person age 70+ nearby to perform a quick photo task, again, it could be a friend, a relative, a neighbor. It doesn't matter, for as long as they are 70 years old and above. And you cannot fake it, because you need to provide the ID later. And once you've done that, click on yes and click on next. And then when you've done that, see, you have an assessment ready for you to finish whenever you have the time. You have 1 assigned jobs right here that you need to finish. And again, these are the reminders of the deadline for you to be able to send that. And here are some more available jobs where you can, of course, take money by completing microjobs on Clickworker. And here are some partner platforms that you might be interested. It's a survey. All right. Now, if currently no projects are listed on this section, there may not be many matching jobs for your profile at the moment. Now, let's take a look on the survey, because it's a different task. But again, it pays. It's okay. Now, here are the details. Take part in different surveys on the partner platform. It's going to be a CPX research. And again, I'm going to make a quick run through and walk you through about all the process. But it's the same one we done earlier. Click on start now. And again, being mindful of the instructions. They are very important for a reason. And make sure to reload this page on a daily basis, because if you leave the offer wallet survey in your new tab open for longer than a day, you might not receive your payment successfully. And again, these are the monetary values. Say for example, for 17 minutes, you get these. Say for example, for 20 minutes, you get these. So it's up to you, all right? Now, when you click on the job history right here, these are the pending job history that you might need to submit in order to get paid. So you have the status right here. And of course, submitted at, that's going to be the date and the amount of your payouts, which will be reflected in the upper corner of your icon here. Now, when you go again to the jobs, you can take as many job as you want, but again, just be mindful of the date so that you will not be being bombarded with the time sensitivities. Click on start now, and from here, all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions, and that's how you make money by completing microjobs on Clickworker. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.